about parrots. Parrot is a medium-sized bird. It is usually found in warm regions. It is a very beautiful bird. That is why it is kept by people as pet in their homes. In India, parrots are generally green colored, but in other countries, parrots are found in different colors. There is a black wing around the neck of a parrot. The beak of the parrot is red, which has a little bend at its tip. Parrots taste food with the tops of their beak. The eyes of parrots are black and shiny. Parrots have zygodactyl foot. They have 4 toes, 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backwards. Parrot likes to eat vegetables, fruits and seeds. A parrot is a bird with a calm nature. They should not be caged as everyone have the right to live freely. A parrot is an intelligent bird, so they can be taught to speak any language or sentence. They have many other abilities. These could be very useful to humans if trained well.